they don't see कि वो अपने देश के लिए खेल रहे हैं. More importantly, if you have to tell them that one thing that हार जीत होती रहती है
कि आज हमने अगर 99% दिया तो एवरी क्रिकेटर इज डिसअपॉइंटेड, बट अगर उन्होंने 101% दिया और फिर भी हार गए, चलता है हार जीत इज पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
ऑब्वियसली इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग के यार ये लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
As a spinner yourself, how do you feel seeing these spinners?
See, it's always good to be armchair critic. When you retire, you can always criticize. I think what these modern day cricketers have actually learned to handle, and this is a very positive thing.
Some matchups are like very important because they influence the outcome of the game. According to you, which would be the most critical one that that might help India capitalize over Australia
In the upcoming T20?
Yeah.
I think how Indian spinners bowl those critical overs in the middle overs will decide and define India's success in Australia. Because if they can control the game in that middle overs, India will always have an upper hand because Indian batting unit is fairly strong. पूरा मोहल्ला जमा होता है.
मोहल्ला जमा होता है. उधर जो चल रहा है, they can always watch TV. We put a speaker also. बड़ी मैच हो तो.
I want to ask both of you all is that you all understand कि cricketers का high and low. You have been there, you know how it works. There are times where fans are like, they get so angry, like that understanding. If you have to tell those fans that this is the understanding because this is, they don't see कि वो अपने देश के लिए खेल रहे हैं. More importantly, if you have to tell them that one thing that हार जीत होती रहती है और हार जीत दोनों equally important है, but if you have to explain it to the fans, how would you put it forward there?
Very simple. Nobody plays to lose. No cricketer likes to lose a match,
Right.
whether it's a friendly match or a international match or a World Cup or a Test series. Nobody likes to lose. So first of all, nobody plays to lose a match.
Right.
On that particular day, in that particular moment, there are things which happens beyond your control. And as a human being, you go through that. You try and minimize those mistakes to make sure that A, you don't repeat, and B, you don't continue doing that. The problem what happens as Indians to a large extent is we are very passionate. और अगर उसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान हो तो कुछ भी हो जाए, you should not lose against पाकिस्तान. अगर वर्ल्ड कप एक बार हार गए तो माफ कर देंगे, पाकिस्तान से हारना माफ नहीं होता है.
That's true.
That's the emotion. As cricketers, we expect and we respect that. But during those situations, certain things happen beyond your control.
Exactly.
Sometimes they play better. They play outstanding innings. Somebody bowls some outstanding spell where 3-4 wickets chakka diye. So then it becomes very difficult to come back into the game. So those who follow cricket partially understand, but those who love cricket and passionately love cricket will always think one-sided, which is accepted and respected by all the cricketers. But they exactly know कि आज हमने अगर 99% दिया so every cricketer is disappointed. But अगर उन्होंने 101% दिया और फिर भी हार गए, चलता है हार जीत is part of your life. हार जीत is part of everybody's life. So many a times when you see a reaction of a cricketer, you sometimes feel कि यार ये arrogant नहीं है. He's confident ने उसने उस वक्त 100% से ज्यादा दिया, फिर भी उन्होंने 110 रखा दिया, इसके लिए वो जीत गए. You have to start respecting somebody else because you're playing 11 versus 11. So वो 11 तुमसे better खेले, इसके लिए वो जीत गए. You have to accept that.
I'm in full agreement, sir. In fact, I've seen from a fan's point of view, I'll have a story again. जब हम छोटे थे, हमारे अब्बा की मिठाई की दुकान है भिंडी बाजार में, it's called शब्बिर तवक्कल. तो छोटा सा टीवी होता था, तो सारे 90s में जमा हो जाते थे सब ऐसे, ये कप वो कप देखने. Many hero cup and all these cups used to be there. So तब जब इंडिया हारती थी, बोले इंडिया हारी, the moment you lost ना, it was like a तहुमत लगती थी, गाली गलौज शुरू हो जाती थी. अब हमारी so now we become a bigger enterprise, शब्बिर तवक्कल रेस्टोरेंट. तो अभी हम लोग ने क्या, वो 5 foot by 25 feet we put a LED screen outside, like the whole name is hoarding. So whichever India match happens ना, we screen it there. तो पहले छोटे स्केल पे, तो अभी सब भिंडी बाजार में जमा हो जाते हैं.
पूरा मोहल्ला जमा होता है.
मोहल्ला जमा होता है. उधर जो चल रहा है, they can always watch TV. We put a speaker also, बड़ी मैच हो तो. And I've noticed now, even if we lose, the audiences are very forgiving. Now they're saying, यार अच्छा तो पर सब तो अच्छा खेले. Like you're saying, the audience is also realizing that we are giving 101%. The do or die attitude is there. Nobody's taking it easy. Even though there were the catches drop, like because I'm a test, my brother and I always fighting. My brother only wants to screen T20s and 50s. I'm saying test match laga. I said, "Bhai, pagal ho gaye. Customer nahi aaye." So unless if you're dropping really flimsy, even those catches that are dropped are not. You know what? Some back in the day, some catches were like you're just standing and you're like, dude, you didn't catch. There was no attempt also. So I feel even the fans have become very obviously into understanding कि यार ये लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. There's 101% given. So I completely agree with you, sir. Apart from the players, even the audiences have become very understanding and forgiving.
So I'll give you a very different experience of how fans and my personal experience.
Wow.
I was part of an India-Pakistan one-dayers in '97 Sahara Cup, where we toured Canada, Toronto, where 5 one-dayers were played in Toronto, and India managed to win 4-1. Which was Saurav Ganguly was पूरा छा गया था. He was bowling, getting wickets. He was batting, getting runs, and it was 4-1. India won, and we had to go to Pakistan in 8 days' time to play 3 one-dayers. So, but it was a funny story. But how fans and emotions are. So Sachin was the captain. Sachin requested BCCI इतना दिन पाकिस्तान क्या करना है, तो BCCI accepted because पाकिस्तान को हराया था. So we landed in Delhi. We had a huge reception, and this was a time where mobiles were just introduced. आज की तारीख में जो fancy gadgets आए वो उस वक्त थे नहीं. तो फोन से कैमरा एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था. तो there was some 10,000 plus people came to receive Indian team. Wow. मेरा second tour था. And like huge reception. I was like, wow, this is brilliant. India को खेलना कितना आसान है. Custom officer, sir, पाकिस्तान को हराया. Air India official, sir, आपने तो पाकिस्तान को. For me, I was like, brilliant. यार, this is game, outstanding. We go to Pakistan. We lose 2-1. India lost 2 games. We land again there. The same people, sir, क्या लाए हो? Sir, जरा लाइन में खड़े रहिए. So this is the extremity of emotions as fans, people react to you. As a cricketer, you learn to accept. You learn to deal with that. You learn to handle those situations. Because, I mean, many times I was criticized, in those days we used to travel in a taxi. और टैक्सी ड्राइवर आपको बोलता था कि क्या साहब आप हार गए, हम मैच देखने के लिए अपना धंधा छोड़ते. सो यू डू गेट दीज इमोशंस एज अ क्रिकेटर एंड यू लर्न टू डील विद इट.
बट नाउ बेटर, नाउ इट्स अ लिटिल बेटर.
सी बिकॉज उस वक्त क्रिकेट एक ही मीडियम से दिखता था और वो भी बहुत कम मिलता था. आज क्या है, आपके पास 15-20 चैनल है, उसमें आप कोई भी स्पोर्ट चैनल लगाओ, क्रिकेट चालू ही है. क्रिकेट के साथ दूसरे स्पोर्ट है. तो इतना कंजम्पशन आया है. आई मीन नाउडेज रणजी ट्रॉफी इज आल्सो शोन लाइव. हम लोग अपने को टीवी पे देखने के लिए तरसते थे व्हेन यू प्लेइंग रणजी ट्रॉफी. नाउ एवरीबॉडी हु इज मेकिंग अ डेब्यू गेट्स अ हाइलाइट एट अ सेंटर स्टेज, सो व्हिच इज गुड टू सी.
I think this question दिमाग में मेरे को poke हो रहा है. I want to ask you, since you're an actor, if you got a chance to play a cricketer, which one would you choose?
Play a cricketer?
Yeah, मतलब like a cricketer, yeah. Yeah, like how Sushant Singh did MS Dhoni.
Oh, like that. I'd like to play Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi.
Wow.
He fascinates me.
Any like any memory you have about his match?
So again, like most things, I have a story. So मेरी पहली picture थी खोया खोया चांद. This Soha was my heroine in the film. So Mansoor uncle had come to the set one day. So I had the great privilege. He introduced me, and he was wearing his glasses like that, and he was sitting there, class. And he looked at me and he said, so I was like, he's the AD on the film, and he was like, how do you guys do this, Peter? And I was like, I said, uncle, hum to aise karte hain. So I met him, and then of course, and like I was telling her, I've been a big Sunil Gavaskar fan because he took on those West Indians, short man, no helmet, taking those bouncers. I can't imagine it, right? So मुझे हमेशा मैं बड़ा fan था, but when I heard the Patodi story, I was even more inspired because he could see 2 balls coming at him after he lost the eye, and he still played. So I feel to play cricket
and succeed
and be the captain and to be such a pioneer and ambassador for cricket, I would love. It'd be the biggest honor to be in a biopic of Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi.
Wow. Okay. Now talking about the all-rounders, तो T20 में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रोल होता है उनका. how would you want to say that how crucial it is to have all rounders? Like we have Akshar Patel, we have Washington Sundar right now. What do you want to say on that?
It's extremely important. The format now demands, as part of the script,
Right.
that you need to be multi-dimensional player, and you should be adaptive, adjustive in terms of what the team wants you to do. So you should be flexible enough to bat at number 1, 2, 3 to bat at 7, 8. Also as a role play that changes what the team wants.
Exactly.
As a bowler, you would definitely should be open to bowl first over, 7th over, 15th over, or the last 20th over. So all-rounders role plays critical role here. But the most important component in the entire T20 format is you do not have a substitute as a bad fielder. So as an all-rounder, you have to be very good fielder as part of your first key responsibility area. And then add a layer of a good batter, a bowler, and bit of both or better at both, which actually makes you better a successful T20 format, like Hardik Pandya.
Right.
For example, Hardik has been doing for India a good job in a white ball cricket for quite some time now. Handling bowling first power plays, bowling in the middle overs, batting at number 4 or finisher's role. The role which demands to adjust and adapt. With Akshar Patel, you've seen Akshar bowling the first over or the 5th over in a power play, or bowling the slog overs in the 18th over or the penultimate 19th over. So this is what team wants the all-rounders to do well. Nitish Reddy is going to be part of it. Washington Sundar is expected to come sometime bat at number 3 as a left-hander if needed, left-hand, right-hand. So there are a lot of permutation combinations. There's a lot of thinking going behind T20 also. A lot of people just think, अरे ये तो ठीक है यार, बहुत इजी है. नहीं है इजी. T20 में भी उतना ही दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. T20 में भी उतनी ही स्ट्रैटेजी करनी पड़ती है. T20 के लिए भी उतना ही टीम मीटिंग का एफर्ट लगता है, बिकॉज इट इज सच अ फास्ट फॉर्मेट कि आप एक मोमेंट लूज करोगे ना, द मैच इज लॉस्ट. एंड इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ 1 ओवर. When you're batting, when you're bowling, when you're fielding. If you make a mistake in that 1 over, the match is won or lost like this.
Wow. That's like interesting facts even I'm getting to hear. Tahir, what do you want to say? Like he said, from a like experienced professional's perspective, you're like a fan and you're seeing all-rounder. How important from a fan's perspective it is कि ये all-rounder बहुत important है ये match के लिए?
We've always loved. I remember there was Robin Singh when I was growing up in the 90s. And Robin Singh used to be very fascinating because he was a superb fielder.
Yeah.
He'd bat, he'd bowl. I've been a big fan of Jadeja because he'd bat just even in England. What he did, I was just loving everything he was doing. So I've always been a big fan of what. I mean, मेरा कोई technical expertise, but as a fan, you always love them because you know कि यार match बचा लेगा. You know, you always feeling चलो ये कर लेगा. Aksar, I did never in my life I thought he'd be a batsman. But even in the last couple of years, what he's doing is fabulous. Washington also played such a big role. So we all, as a fan, you always love them. Yeah, you're like they are like the hota na Neve, a very important stump in the middle. Because and I also feel bad because sometimes they don't get the glory and the glitz of the top order batsmen.
But वो सबसे ज़्यादा man of the match जीतते हैं.
They are, हाँ. But sir वो
ऐसे मत बोलो.
पर वो फोन नहीं आते ना मुझे.
Okay, now I think coming to the spin department dynamics, the trio Kuldeep Yadav, Akshar Patel, Varun Chakravarti, spinners का no one better than you can answer. Spinners का भी एक अलग अंदाज होता है, एक अलग तरीका होता है. As a spinner yourself, how do you feel seeing these spinners? What do you like? You might have like ऐसे कि ऐसे करना चाहिए थोड़ा. You might have that moments as well. I'm quite sure.
See, it's always good to be armchair critic. When you retire, you can always criticize. But jokes apart, I think what these modern day cricketers have actually learned to handle, and this is a very positive thing, which I see as a great change, is they're always thinking one step ahead. As a bowler, if I bowl this, what is he going to do? How is he going to do that? Does he have 2 or 3 different shots for this particular ball which I'm going to bowl? So what field set I should be having? So they are always thinking about that one step ahead. And that is one of the strong reason why Varun Chakravarti, Kuldeep Yadav, Akshar Patel, all these, to a certain extent, Washington Sundar also, they have managed to handle वो उस मोमेंट में वो सिचुएशन आती है ना कि पहले बॉल पे छक्का पड़ा है तो अगले 3 या 4 बॉल में एक रन भी नहीं देना है, डॉट बॉल डालना है, तो उसकी वैल्यू, क्योंकि अगर आप 3 या 4 बॉल में रन नहीं देते हो ना तो ओवर में सिर्फ 7 और 8 रन ही चले जाते हैं। सो वो कैलकुलेशन भी रखना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड दीज किड्स हैव इवॉल्व्ड सो वेल विथ देयर मिस्ट्री कि मैं इनको कहाँ पकड़ू और कैसे पकड़ू। एंड इफ यू सीन दैट कमिंग फ्रॉम अ T20 टू 50 ओवर फॉर्मेट, जस्ट रिसेंटली सिडनी मैच में जो वनडे हुई थी वहां पे कुलदीप और अक्षर ने जिस तरह से शॉन मार्श को फंसा के रखा था, दैट वाज सो गुड टू सी बिकॉज दे आर थिंकिंग वन स्टेप अहेड ऑफ अ बैटर हु वांट्स टू टारगेट एंड डोमिनेट, बिकॉज T20 फॉर्मेट इज शेयर डोमिनेंस, आपको हर बॉल में छक्का या चौका चाहिए। वहां पे डॉट बॉल या एक रन देना is also good bowling. So these guys have learned to do these things successfully, which is so good to see. And over the years, they've gained good experience playing under different captains. कुछ कैप्टन ऐसे होते हैं जो बिंदास तू डाल मैं देखता हूँ, रन गए तो भी मैं बैक कर लूंगा, ये कॉन्फिडेंस जब बॉलर को मिलता है ना वो छाती और चौड़ी करके ग्राउंड पे चले जाता है, बिकॉज when you are confident you are only thinking about either getting him out or making sure that you don't concede runs.
Wow, okay. Tahir, you had just told me that you have a love-hate relation with cricket. Could you tell us what is it?
I do. It's because I grew up in cricket as my environment. My father played leagues and Kanga, and my childhood went not seeing my father. Because सवेरे में जब स्कूल जाता था उसके पहले काम पे जाते थे, फिर संडे मिलता था वो क्रिकेट खेलते, like most of you cricket dads. फिर मैंने सोचा कोई बात नहीं, अब जब 25-27 के हुए एक्टिंग की, I've lived the quintessential Bollywood dream. बिंडी बाजार चाली में से उठा, सपने देखे, सपने साकार हुए, and then then you want to, there comes a time when you want to give back to your parents, and then when I thought now I'll get to spend now he was turning 59, I want to do things with him, and then he always used to keep saying, I used to say abhi band karo, cricket khelna band karo. And he always say, I'll die on the cricket field. Don't ask me to do this. I'll play cricket till I die. Wow. And as luck would have it, I mean, obviously there are a lot of things, family problems, his brothers were troubling him. So he was going through a lot of stuff. But you know how it is. At a particular age, you have to slow down. And he used to play with 22-year-olds. Yeah. So he was playing some T20 league, and then he got a attack on the field, which he thought was acidity. And the man then walked all the way, went to Bombay Hospital, and he couldn't. तो अब मेरा तो देन तब वो बिटर स्वीट हो गया मेरे लिए। अब मैंने बोला मेरा बचपन छीन लिया क्रिकेट ने, अब मेरी जवानी भी मेरे अब्बा के साथ छीन ली। सो विच इज व्हाई सो आई क्विट सीजन बॉल क्रिकेट आफ्टर दैट। अब भी खेलता हूँ मैं उनकी याद में। माय ब्रदर इज वेरी इनटू इट। माय ब्रदर ओन्स दी सर्टेन टीम्स जो होती है ना क्लब क्रिकेट में, ही ओन्स टीम्स एंड ऑल दैट। मैं अब सिर्फ टर्फ पे खेलता हूँ। अब मेरा बेटा हो गया, वो शायद खेलेगा अपने दादा की याद में। So, but kudos to you, sir. I mean, I also feel now that I'm a father, like you were saying. It means I know it must be a lot of pain for a father also to leave your children behind. And
see, I mean, cricket in India is more of a religion,
right,
and everybody loves talking about cricket.
Right.
Very few get the chance to play that and live that and enjoy that. We were fortunate enough to make a career out of it. So for us, it's a different feeling. But I personally believe and support and suggest that you should always send your child to play team sport. Because what that teaches you in life, no other profession, no book, no college, no university teaches you that. So that's a great, great lesson which you learn by playing. And especially in India, because we all love cricket, team sport teaches you so many things in life.
True.
In fact, one of the things in a different tangent, when you played cricket, the loss of your father, what you learned playing cricket allowed you to handle that.
100%. No, 100%. As a sport, it's lovely. My grief only comes from the fact that I didn't get time with him because of it. इसीलिए तो अभी भी खेलता हूँ सर मैं, and मैं इसीलिए टेस्ट मैचेस अभी भी देखता हूँ. I think I must be out of my entire friend circle, I'm the only guy who goes and watches test cricket.
Wow.
I mean, in on the ground.
Right.
That's why Test cricket is alive.
100%.
Because of people like you.
Because सर कोई है ही नहीं, हम लोग ही बैठे हैं. So much so कभी पवेलियन में बैठे कोई आके बोल देता है भाई काम कर, बॉक्स में आके बैठ जा एसी में. I'm like very good. खाली पड़ा है.
So हम लोग जब रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलते थे 4 डे का, उस वक्त 25 कौवे और 2 आदमी रहते थे मैच देखने के लिए.
Okay. Another question, Nilesh, I want to ask you. Some matchups are like very important because they influence the outcome of the game. According to you, which would be the most critical one that that might help India capitalize over Australia
in the upcoming T20?
one, yeah.
I think how Indian spinners bowl those critical overs in the middle overs will decide and define India's success in Australia. Because if they can control the game in that middle overs, India will always have an upper hand, because Indian batting unit is fairly strong, fairly credible, fairly confident and consistent. So for me, the key area will always be how our spinners are bowling in that middle over, controlling the game. Because nowadays, earlier days the things were different कि आपको विकेट लेनी है, but आज का जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है, आपको गेम कंट्रोल करना है, एंड वो बड़ा क्रिटिकल एलिमेंट होगा, बिकॉज ट्रेविस हेड एंड these guys will go hammer and tong from ball 1 to control the game. Indian spinners will have a critical role to handle those middle overs. If India manage to pick that up, India will come on the winning side again.
Okay, the last question I want to ask both of y'all: who, according to y'all, is the legend of Indian cricket?
Well, I'll start with him.
Very difficult question.
एक तो होगा, कोई तो one name or two names.
No, I've been a big fan of, like I said, Patodi and Sunil Gavaskar. I think they're not because they're batsmen. These are batsmen. Actually, I love, like, even in bowling, I grew up watching, say, an Anil Kumble. I love them too. But when I look at the difficulty level of what a person would have gone through, are these two people. Because then I've gone and watched those matches also. So I'm not just saying, I went and saw the Sunil Gavaskar games. When you go back, it's unbelievable. I can't believe that उस जमाने में वो रूल नहीं था यार कि 2 ही बाउंसर दे सकते हो. उधर फटका पड़ा, गए काम से. So it is, and to play and to score. And I also feel like even there's Mohinder Amarnath even the 83 World Cup, I don't think we give him enough credit. But then again, when I look at it overall, I love these two guys because of the difficulty. I can't believe only that these guys survived. And when I say Sunny sir also, these days when I see him, I just recently met him at Rajdeep's mom's birthday. There's some young serum. He also looks like some 40-year-old guy chilling. And I'm like, this guy faced the 4 fastest, maddest bowlers of all time. So these two are my...
But for me personally, the reason I started playing cricket was 83 World Cup. For me, I aspired to make a career in cricket because Sunil Gavaskar sir and Kapil Paji actually were the mainstay of that World Cup. But now, when I see the absolute legend and a champion, I put Sachin Tendulkar in that mold. Because for me, he's an institution. As a cricketer, he's a great role model. As a player, he's genius. We all know about it. But as a human being, he's one of the nicest man also. For a cricketer to survive, sustain, handle for 24 years, spotless career is nearly impossible. So I'm not talking about his cricketing. I mean, everybody only talks about his cricket. But I'm talking about the overall package. And for me, as a legend is person who inspires the future generation, who respects the seniors, and yet he motivates others to be a good role model by saying no to certain things. And in his career, he actually rejected few offers which were not part of his acceptable comforts. And for me, to say no to certain things, you need a lot of great value systems, good courage, but more importantly, you need to be a good human being. And for me, that's why Sachin Tendulkar as an institution is a great, great legend, but is a great role model as well.
I think in this conversation, I learned a lot and I really enjoyed. Tahir shared his passion, his memories about cricket that many might relate to. Whereas Sir, he has that experience, that expertise that many of us did not know कि ये ऐसे होता है. I'm quite sure that the audience who will watch this will enjoy this conversation probably more. No, actually I enjoyed it a lot. So they'll also enjoy the conversation, this whole episode a lot. Thank you so much for both of you for being a part of this amazing conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kiara. Thank you, everybody.
And keep watching Kiara's shows.
Yeah.
Thank you. And that's a wrap on the 9th episode of Bat Ball Aur Baatein. Honestly, it's just so inspiring that, cricket connects everyone in so many different ways. All I would say is let's keep our fingers crossed for our men in blue. And I hope कि हम हमेशा जीत हासिल करते रहे. Stay tuned for the next episode of Bat Baller Baatein. Until then, keep catching up with Kiara.